It is not only my birthday, but it's also my first time camping in a really long time. And it's also my first time on a true adventure in my new adventure vehicle. So I'm going to give you a quick tour before I get set up for the night. Okay, I'm gonna go left to right, starting from the back of the van. The solar is a little bit crazy. Right now it's just kind of sitting on the floor because I'm waiting for some new components to come in. I'm gonna swap out the charge controller to a much nicer one that I am not afraid is going to burn the van down. Then I have the cot. For the bed, I have a camping cot with a down throw, and then it has a fleece mid-layer and a twin size sheet set. And I have a few travel pillows. And this is Bunny. She's actually a pillow and cute as a button. Okay, under the bed, this is my kitchen basket. So I have camping utensils as well as just normal household utensils. Some fuel, some cleaning soap and sponge, a bowl, mosquito spray. They are so bad right now. A glow-in-the-dark container, a cutting board, and some cleaning towels. This blue bag is all of my clothes. This gray bag is toiletries. This is mostly my light bucket, so I have a solar panel, some a solar lantern here, and some USB powered lanterns here. And this is the cord to my power station, which is right here. Behind it, I have the lights to the solar panel and one random frying pan. Just a small, I think that's maybe an 8-inch pan. Then I have a bottle of emergency water, 2 ladders to act as a step stool to get the hammock up, and then as a bench. I have a physical therapy device that I use on my feet each night. This is the charger. I have to mark them because I never remember. This is the lighter charger to the camp fridge. Okay, and the very last thing is my new hiking shoes. I'm really excited to try these out. I've been breaking them in all over the house, and when I work in the van and when I go shopping, I just take these everywhere. And I put these removable covers on them to keep the inside of the van clean. It's hard to do with one hand. Okay, so these are great. I pack these on my shoes when I travel as well, so that in my luggage my shoes don't get all of my clean laundry dirty. And hopefully this will be the solution to the hiker's toe that I got really, really bad when I did the Everspace camp truck. No more black toes here, please. Okay. This bag in the corner my second duffel bag has all of the small parts that I don't want to get lost. So I have my fire starters, some rain and weather items, some bathroom items. You never know when you're not going to have toilet paper. Lights, my compressor, batteries, and a portable power bank. Next to my small parts bag is my camp stove. My camp stove. The front seat has the most luxurious feeling wool covers. I love these things. And there is reflective tape all over the critical parts of the van that I might want to find in the dark and quickly. In the front seat, I have my front visor and my 2 homemade side visors, which take up so much space. I have a mini trash can, the pillow that goes with the wool seat covers, and a portable charger for the van, which takes about 3 days to charge. And I have this locker that I installed to keep all of my valuables safe. Here is a record of how unbelievably hot it gets in the van. I have my hammock gear here, though unfortunately there is not any suitable hammock trees, so TBD on that. I have my fridge, which was anchored in. And it just has several days worth of fruits, veggies. I baked some mini muffins, some apples at the bottom. And then my non-perishables are over here. And of course, I have one candle to celebrate my birthday. I have a few binders of work stuff just in case I get the chance to get any work done. I have some hats just hanging from a carabiner on some eye hooks. Some spare bedding. Here, this is mostly hammock bedding, an extra pillow, and then I do hope to hike. So I have this entire pack that is filled only with water. I didn't know I would be sleeping next to a creek with unlimited fresh water, so I brought my own. And then on the doors, I have some really nice security nuts with a bug guard here. What I didn't realize when I bought them is that it prevents all airflow, so it makes the van extremely hot. I have them on the side door as well. And it's rolled up right now so that I can get a little bit of ventilation. And never forget your bear spray.